Hi there, it's George here. One friend asked to me in the comments to do an update on my orchids, and here we go. I have 3 Phalaenopsis orchids and one this Dendrobium nobile, and this, as you can see, is in bloom, yet half of year in bloom already. That is amazing. Did you remember it was full of flowers in February, but now it's in August, and it had 2 spikes, but the flowers didn't, but appeared a new flowers. They are still here, but I'm not sure how many. A few weeks and they will dry, I think. They do not look so vigorously, but anyway, beautiful flowers and amazing. For such a long time, this orchid in bloom, incredible. And so looking the spike, this orchid, I think you did see this. I did posted regularly updates on my plants. I did posted on artificial grow light plants update, and I included this orchid in that videos. Anyway, and did you remember was many blooms, a lot of blooms? Even I did made a special video. So here is an update. Amazing looking, and the roots are doing well. The substrate bulk, it is Vilo bulk, which I made and I put on this orchid like an experiment. Experiment did work, and looking beautiful orchid, and started finally to grow a new leaf, as you can see here. This is amazing. You know how long I waited to grow a new leaf? For example, this leaf did grow last summer, and another leaf started to grow now. Though it's not grow very fast leaves, but flowers, because of the flowers I think. So many was and long time in bloom, that's it. I have there 5 flowers. Great. I will let the links in description about update on this orchid, and yeah, that's it. And here we can see this leaf drying, but it's okay for orchid. Bottom leaves they're drying and growing new ones. Energy goes to new leaf. Here I have this orchid which I found throw away in 2019, fall 2019, and I did save. I will put the link in description how this orchid I saved in water with leaves. Then I waited a long time and did another video already how I did planted in this bulk. Now looking beautiful. As you can see, the leaf started to grow strong, and yeah, and the lovely root here growing. And we'll see, maybe this autumn we'll see the flower spike or the next year. I don't know exactly, but have to wait. And this is beautiful orchid. Not sure about the color, but I like it very much. It was on the cold when I found it throw away. That time the nights were about -1 degrees in Celsius. This orchid I have, it's beautiful too, started to grow new leaf here. As you can see, it's beautiful. The roots are doing okay. This blooming in pink, white pink kind of, and you did see, if you did watch it, the update. Beautiful orchid. I'm looking forward to grow more. And this Dendrobium nobile, at the moment it's without leaves, but anyway, we will see. Update. Look at the new leaf here. It's not new, but from this should fall all the leaves, but this remained. But in some cases it's normal to fall the leaves on the Dendrobium nobile. And now I'm waiting for growing new shoots, but I do not know exactly when they will grow. Just I will wait, and in one day will appear new buds, new shoots, I mean. That's it. I have to water at the time, because I didn't water at the time. I have no time right now. All day I have not at my home. That's it. That's it, and so looking the orchid. Anyway, I will post updates in the future. How many orchids do you have in your collection? Write in the comments. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the subscribe button and activate that bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And also you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner. Bye bye.